Yes. What? 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, 3, 4.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
All right. Look how fast it's going. Oh boy.
Oh wait, what? Is it starting?
Yeah.
Oh. Welcome back. It is Random Baking Show.
Oh, whatever.
I am your host, Risotto Nero.
And I'm Johanna Faith.
We're here to congratulate our two contestants who are going to battle out in the culinary arts in order to reflect their most wonderful teacher, Mr. Facao. Can we get a round of applause for Mr. Facao? Mr. Facao not only is an amazing cook, trained in France, but he is also a statistics teacher. And so for these contestants to show their love for Mr. Facao, they are here ready to battle out to the death. And, you know, we're about to get in.
Yeah.
And what are we going to learn today, Faith?
All right, Risotto. Today, as the contestants battle it out in the culinary arts, they are also going to be highlighting the differences between data and statistic.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
I know.
What is a data and statistic?
What is a data?
Yes, I would love to know.
So in this bake off, the ingredients that the contestants will be putting into their baskets will represent the data, and the finished product, aka the cakes, which you will see later, will represent the finished product or the statistic.
Oh wow, I can see. Right now we have our first contestant, Mr. Serrano, up to the milk. He is looking stylish as ever. Look at him go. He's about to grab the milk. Oh, that is a nice shirt. This is not a product placement, but we love to be a product placement. Yes?
Yes, we love Conan Gray.
We love. Oh,
Nope.
there he is.
Nope.
Oh, he's making his next move. He is currently thinking, whatever shall he do? And now we wait while he attacks. Oh, there he goes, doing his tribal dance.
Tribal dance.
I don't know. It came to mind. Oh, he has the milk acquired. Good job.
Love the peace sign.
Oh, representing. Oh, there he goes, grabbing eggs now. Eggs. What are they, Faith? What did you call them? Eggs are also a
data. Wow, because
Wow.
we are using the eggs to make a finished product.
Oh,
which
there,
will be
and
our
he flips us there.
statistic.
Oh, here we have our second contestant, the stunning Johanna Faith.
Who does she think she is? Oh,
But
wow, she found some sugar and she's really excited about
did
it.
you see how?
I think she's on something.
Did you see the speed, the magnitude of how much velocity it would?
Oh,
Oh.
she finally found the flour.
Oh,
Took
she
her long
found-
enough.
But Faith, you must remember these are datas.
Datas.
We are collecting data. Oh, and we have our. What is he doing? I think.
I think he's. Oh, maybe he's. Is he having a breakdown? Maybe he's finally getting nervous.
Maybe, if he's getting nervous, to our audience, we need to remember, you need to stay motivated, stay calm.
Stay calm.
Here's some knowledge.
Anyone
because,
can cook.
We're also motivating everyone, as Faith said, as the great master of Remy once said, anyone can cook. I'm sorry, guys. I've always strived to be excellent. I strive to do my best. Yet I can remember importing quotes from the great gods themselves. It was actually Gusteau who said anyone can cook, not Remy. Remy, although an excellent cook, did not say such a thing. So I'm sorry. I'm gonna go cry. I'm gonna go walk. I'm running. I'm leaving. I'm sad. You need to just have faith in yourself. Have faith. Haha. Yes. Just be proud of who you are. Do what you want to do. Okay. And I think we're gonna have a second contestant. Faith. Oh, there she is.
She's back again.
Oh, what do you mean? Look at her. Go.
Why is she? Okay, she's pointing at all of the data, aka the ingredients. See, if you were to put these apples in, I don't know, an apple pie, they would count as the data because they are being put into a recipe that will result in the statistic, which is a pie. There's smoothies. Those represent statistics because there are a bunch of different smoothies that were being different smoothies. There are a bunch of different fruits being put into the smoothies. That's why it's a statistic. It's representative of a bunch of different ingredients.
I'm
as
so
a whole.
astonished by how much stats can be in a supermarket, Faith. This is
know, right?
amazing.
Wow.
I'm just completely astonished.
Why is she talking? Who is she?
I
She
think-
does realize that the audio isn't gonna be in the show, right?
Yes, but she's
What is she?
she's confident in herself. That's what we're always all about. We're trying to show confidence of each person.
You're right, Ricardo.
Yes.
All right. As we wrap up, we would just like to highlight the fact that we lost all of the footage of Ricardo and Faith baking their tails off.
Oh no.
but we do have the footage of our judges Lorelai, Taby, and Dylan Johnson
Wow.
judging their tails off.
They are the new judges.
They are the new judges, so it's our time to sign off.
So,
over and out.
Over and out.
Over and out.
Over
Thanks
and out.
for listening.
Yes. Remember, stay confident. Anyone can cook.
Okay, Lorelai, Dylan, take it away. Theme music.
Welcome back to our random baking show. Right now we have our competitors' cakes. They're from different cakes, clearly. I'm just gonna cut right into mine. It looks delicious. Oh. See here, this reminds me of the statistics term. I believe it's cluster sampling. You can see here we have the frosting and the cake together in one unified sample. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes very clustered. I like it. 8 out of 10.
So I'm gonna try our other competitor's cake. I kind of don't like whipped cream, but this does remind me of stratified sampling, because most of this right here is homogeneous to what we have here. So I'm just gonna take that off, try it myself. Pretty good. Give it a 7.
Looks like we have our winner.
You didn't give your rating.
Yeah, you did. 8 out of 10.
What did you give?
8 out of 10.
Oh.
So congratulations, whoever made this cake. I think
It was me.
Ralph's. Oh, or you. Okay, sweetie. Thank you for watching tonight's show. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.
Please stay tuned for the next premiere